guys? I hope y'all are having a good night, good evening, good morning, whatever time of the day you guys might be watching this. I just want to go ahead and give you one quick update. This is not going to be another 30-minute video like the one you saw on my YouTube. However, prices have been updated on eBay and my website, and now I'm happy to let you know that everything on the website, my personal website that you see right now, is and will be cheaper than anything you can find of mine on eBay. Let me just show you real quick how to find stuff a little bit quicker. I've edited every single title and every price to hopefully make everything easier for you guys to help transition over to using my new site. So obviously right here is my lead time. The video that I posted on Facebook and YouTube is also right here on the front page. Also another, little deal here you can read about lead time, but the video says everything. Anyway, let me show you. So we're going to go to my eBay and we're just going to click on a random part here. So let's say you're looking at a light switch adapter, or let's see, we're going to click on anything. CDI adapter right here, right? Okay, you're looking for a CDI adapter. It's $27 here. I wonder if Kevin has it cheaper on his website. You can either type in the title, I know it's a lot of typing, or you can do it on your phone too. Copy, paste it, go to my website, just drop it right there in the bar, and bam, match the picture, comes right up. You click on it, and boom, it's $2 cheaper. Some items are going to be $30 cheaper, some are $25 cheaper, some are 50 cents cheaper, but everything will be cheaper. Let's look at something else here real quick. Scroll down some more here. Let's look at, alright, so let's look at a 9701. Prices did jump up, but this is only to try and encourage everyone to use the website. My website, the price is going to be just what you were paying before. So it does say 165, but don't freak out. Look here, you can click on this, and okay, let's go to his website and see. So you're just going to copy and paste it, or if you know how to navigate my website already, just do that. You can go over here, go to the search bar, drop it right in. There's the harness. It's the exact same name. That way there's no confusion. You click on it, $165 on eBay, and 140 bucks here. There it is, guys. You don't need any more description, but I'll show just one more item here. I'm just going to go to a random item, scroll down. We're going to click on, say you are a quad sport guy, little 250R. Okay, 60 bucks right here. You can just click on it. Again, you can just search it out, or you can do this here, copy, go over here, go up to the search bar. There won't be anything in there. Drop it in there, and bam, it comes up because it's the exact same title. You click on it, eBay price is $60, website price over here is $55. So there you go, guys. I hope this helps you guys out. Don't forget, tell your buddies. If anybody's like, oh man, Kevin went way up on his prices. Yeah, dude, but go to his website. Go to his website. They're still 140 bucks. And all that good stuff. So I hope this works out good for me. The month of July, I'm probably going to shut down eBay completely while I'm on vacation and see how it works out. So I look forward to seeing you guys purchase over on the website. Just give me some time to get everything out. And keep in mind, smaller items, like it says right here, are going to ship faster. It does say 2 to 3 week lead time. However, that is that's just a cushion for me. You may order your harness and you may get it within 7 days. If you do, great. If not, then I was just very, very busy, and I will get it to you as quick as I possibly can. Leak testers will go out within a couple of days. Tiny adapters, pigtails, race harnesses, of course, are going to go much sooner than 2 or 3 weeks. They're going to go out very soon. Thank you guys for reading, listening, and hanging out with me. You guys have a good night.